Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the unit and making a focused first pass, plug or charge fully, then remove the protective cap. Hold the eraser at a shallow angle and press lightly so the pad contacts hair, not skin. You'll hear a soft hum indicating the motor engages. This is normal. Work a 1-2 inch area first to feel pressure and heat. Once done, wipe the head with the supplied cloth and observe the hair removal direction before proceeding to larger areas. You continue by refining your strokes and adapting to hair density. For coarser strands, apply slightly firmer, slower passes, while for fine hair use lighter, faster sweeps. Make overlapping passes of about 10 to 20% to catch missed hair without overworking the skin. Make sure to pull the skin taut with your free hand so the head glides evenly. This reduces tugging and irritation. Once done in one zone, inspect and retarget any stubborn hairs with one careful pass. You complete the session with aftercare and a quick functionality check. Calm the skin by applying a cool, damp cloth for 30 to 60 seconds, and then a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer. Clean the eraser head by removing visible fibers, wiping with an alcohol pad, and allowing it to dry fully before reattaching the cap. If you experience tugging or uneven removal, reduce pressure and shorten passes, then retest on a tiny area. This usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.